Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pork in Cooker Easy Guide. Trim excess fat, pat the pork dry, then apply a simple rub of 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, and your favorite herbs. Place aromatics like onion and garlic under the meat to boost flavor. Allow the pork to rest at room temperature for 30 minutes so the seasoning penetrates before you start the cooker. Set your cooker based on the texture you want. High for 4 hours for sliceable pork, low for 6 hours for shreddable perfection. Add 1 cup of broth or sauce to keep the meat moist and prevent burning. Place the lid securely and resist the urge to lift it often, which lets heat escape. Check occasionally near the end and use a thermometer to ensure safe doneness. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help the channel grow, and share with friends who love easy meals. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers for meal prep, which makes storing leftover pork a breeze. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After cooking, remove the pork and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes to redistribute juices. If you want pulled pork, shred using 2 forks and mix with some of the reserved cooking liquid or your favorite barbecue sauce. For a richer sauce, pour the liquid into a pan and simmer until it reduces and thickens, then taste and adjust seasoning before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.